what I believe in, because this is what I went through. I was raised in a family. We're 9 people in the family. So 7 sisters and 1 brother. And I was the eldest. So I always used to take care of all my siblings, because I'm the eldest. So I'm taking care of everybody who's younger. So I never took care of myself. So I was the one to have to take care of my dad, take care of my mom, try to resolve the problems, So this is my life. So I grew up not being able to take care of myself. So I like it when she says that you have to pause and take care of yourself and enjoy things to yourself. But that's why when I started writing, and I wanted to write long time ago, but I started writing in Arabic. But then I said, it's going to go nowhere. So when I started writing, the kids' book, the first thing that clicked to me, Christmas is the best time I love in my life because it brings me joy, a lot of joy. So when I wrote this story, it was like I'm putting everything, like I'm trying to be joyful, I'm trying to be happy because I've never been. I'm taking care of myself when I'm writing that book, and the illustration is happening as if something big is happening in my life, not because I want to publish it, as much as I'm enjoying every bit of it, because this is what I really admire to do. And now I'm taking care of myself with me writing this book. Also what happened, this room, the one that I'm in, it was a bedroom. The minute my son got married recently, so it was a bedroom for all the guests. I had 20 people in my house in May the 15th. There were 20 people in my house from all over the world, from Australia, from Germany, from California, from British Columbia. So when everybody got gone, I cleaned the house and I turned this into a room. I made all these by myself. I bought the posters and I glued them and I colored them. I wanted to create that environment that I can get inspired. And I was procrastinating, I want to do it. But then after I put maybe $1,000 in this room, I said, I have to sit now and write the book.
That's awesome.
My husband said, I hope you're going to write with all what you put money, all the investment.
Well, hearing this story is my why. It's why I do what I do, because I get to be a small part of seeing what you're bringing into the world, and then how you're going to change things for people and inspire others. I get to be a part of that. And that makes me just, I usually am in tears when we're doing things together, or where somebody's clicking publish for the first time and I'm there with them and they're crying, and then I can't help myself. I'm crying too, I get to do that for a living. I love it. I thank you guys for letting me be a part of it.
Thank you for being part of it, actually, and let us be part of this with you. Believe me, it's an honor, to be honest. It's an amazing. You're achieving our dreams. Thank you so much, April.